Welcome to Inquiry into Self. So just settle down and sense the birthing of life inside of you. Like you can feel your emotions and you can feel your body, you can feel your thoughts, but behind that is something that says, I am. When you say, what am I? What is this? There's beingness. And you can go to this spark, the root of that beingness, and feel how it's always there. This effortless life, this effortless being. And as you settle into that, it's full, it's complete. It doesn't have anywhere to get to. It doesn't have any problems to solve. You can feel a natural fullness, a natural sufficiency, a natural more than enough. So right now, just let that permeate your experience. This before there's any diagnosing of a problem. There's simple being. And then as you relax into that, you'll notice the mind doing what the mind does. What is your mind bringing up? Is it bringing up a to-do item? Or is it bringing up somebody else's problem? Maybe your child, your neighbor, your parent, your friend. Or is it bringing up things that you feel like you wish weren't the way they are? Oh, I've got to eventually replace blank. I've got to eventually get out of this situation. What is your mind doing? And they feel very real, these concerns our minds have. But then just settle back into the space. The space is still here. The aliveness is still here. And feel how it runs even deeper than your feet and higher than your head. This sense of being, of aliveness, of spaciousness, it really expands beyond the limits of our skin. Feel its sweetness, feel its sense of the infinite. And then check in again about that concern that came up. Has this concern been in this condition of some sort or another in the past 6 months? Like, has there been that to-do item before? Has there been a similar issue with the friend or the family member before? Just notice that maybe this isn't quite as urgent as you thought because something similar has already happened in the past and somehow got resolved. Just notice that what you are is okay while this issue is out there. Like, bring the two together, the apparent issue and this core infinite that you are. Just let them be here together. And let the infinite breathe well-being into your experience. Let this spaciousness provide some wisdom, provide some space, some time, maybe a little courage, a little confidence. And rest back into this that we are. Feel how you do nothing to have this aliveness. And for how many years? In how many situations has this aliveness just continued and continued and continued? Just relax into its perseverance, its steadiness, its timelessness. And then check back. This supposed issue, when something similar happened in the past, did anything good come out of it? Like, was it only a problem? Or was there some blessing intermingled? So, in the past, when it turned out my living situation wasn't working out, and I explored new things, it turned out something better showed up. So sometimes needing to make a change ends up bringing investigation into an opportunity I wouldn't have seen before. Or when my family member had that dire sickness, out of it came a new grace in their lives, a new relaxation, a new reprioritization, a new ability to connect. Whatever was the goodness, just notice. No past thing has happened without being interspersed with grace. Grace has interspersed every moment. So now just resting back into this bright aliveness, just feel that there's a natural greatness and a natural grace. There's a benevolence. And see if you can't find a willingness to extend that into whatever's the current to-do item. Maybe alongside any action that you've got to take, there can also be kind of a readiness for serendipity, a readiness for unexpected kindness, a readiness for unexpected wisdom. Just feel how the whole situation changes. You know, we can be very constricted around a situation. This must be attacked, solved, removed, crossed off. But if instead it's going to be an avenue of grace, well, now we don't want to just let it run away. We want to kind of hold it with a little more patience and openness and see, well, what else might arise that I haven't considered yet? So allow this openness for grace to change anywhere that was constricted into some place that's now open. And then relax back. Notice infinite being. As we go through our lives, we're fundamentally well. This moment is okay. What we project about the future, we don't know. In fact, most likely there will be unexpected grace. So just feel this airing out, this spaciousness, this open welcome. Welcome to life. Cherishing the aliveness. This aliveness, this is what we are. And it brings grace, wisdom, benevolence. So as you go into your day, just take this extra sense of what is always and already here.